This is one of our smallest, most affordable campers for a couple. You're looking at a 2024 Wildwood FSX 169 RSKX. I did do this one like back in October, but it didn't really get a lot of views. I didn't have a ton of followers. The real OGs might remember this one, but we're gonna do it again. Definitely one of our best couples coaches for the price. They do seem to be claiming to have the largest in-class tinted windows. I don't know about that, guys. Coming inside, we're gonna enter in our kitchen and living area. Nice and minimal in here, just got all the necessities. I say minimal, but that's like relative to our other campers. I'd still personally consider this glamping. Way more than I need out in the woods, but to each their own. Decent little kitchen though, nice little circular undermount sink, 2-burner gas stovetop, and a microwave. The U-shaped dinette over here does have a swivel table. That's gonna make you say wowie zowie. Wowie zowie. This table will raise and lower if you want, or you can just get rid of it entirely. Bada bing, now you got a nice full bed up front for your guests. There's a little speaker here mounted up on the wall, very handy. Magical refrigerator, has hinges on both sides. Open it at your convenience. Continuing to the back of the camper, we have a nice pass-through bathroom here. Little plastic foot flush down there, decent vanity. Behind me, we have a nice walk-in standing shower with the skylight. Then continuing on through the bathroom into our master bedroom here, we got a nice queen bed. Fold this bad boy up. Tons of storage underneath on the hydraulic lifts to keep it in place. We got little bins here. Bin city down below. And then just like a frig ton of storage space all around across from your bed. Mounted TV on the wall here. You got hookups on the ceiling. This bad boy's sitting at only under 26K, so if you got any questions, give me a call. The phone is in the bio.